welcome back, man. Brothers Motors, guys. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna point something out to y'all, guys. Now, y'all see this is the Grand Prix, the big V8 engine. I want to say. In other words, you don't see an engine in there. That means we have it out. But I want to show you youngins, all you aspiring up and coming mechanics, something. Now, in order to know where you're going, you got to know where you came from, right? So there's a few parts on this old car I want to point out. Typical suspension, you know, you got the coil spring, everything that's designed to cushion the blow when you hit a bump or make steering stability. But here's the part I want to point out to you because this is kind of fascinating. I personally haven't seen one in a long time. I can't remember the last time I replaced one. I think I was in 8th grade in high school when I did my granddaddy's car. Well, anyway, guys, look. How many of you guys recognize this? All right, no peeking, no, I ain't talking about you old cats, Tom Cook, Uncle Marks, none of you old guys. I know y'all know what it is. I'm talking about the young bucks. I don't know, Philly D Young, I don't know, you young cats, y'all know who you are. But Hella guy, I think Hella young dude, Hella probably don't know what the hell this is. Hella going, JT, what is that, man? Hella. Stay with me for a second. Follow me here, Hella. Follow me here for a second. I can pick on Hella. He's a cool dude. All right. Now, you see this, right? This is some mechanical device. This line right here, you can see where it's going. Where is this line leading to? All right. This line is leading. Where is it going? Ooh, all the way back here. Hey, it ends up, guys, at the fuel tank. Okay, so what do you want to come from the fuel tank that will likely end up in the engine and likely will allow you to start? That's it. You guessed it, man. Gasoline. All right, fuel. Yes, you need fuel for a car to run. Okay, so what does that tell you? All right, if I'm insulting you, Hella, let me know. Hella probably sitting back going, I can't believe JT don't think I know what that is. I'm tripping. But anyway, guys, yes, and the other line is maybe going back to the fuel tank as a reserve. I don't know. But my point is, guys, yes, my friend, this is a fuel pump. Mechanical fuel pump. All right? Yes, guys, these two holes right here will allow you to bolt this fuel pump into the engine, the block. Somewhere in there, there's one of these numbers going here that will make this go up and down, up and down. And when that moves, this is some mechanical mechanisms inside of here that's causing, will build up pressure, push this pressure out of here. Now this line likely goes to the carburetor. Yes, you heard me right, carburetor. I didn't say throttle body. I didn't say none of that. I said carburetor. Yes, okay, so, guys, long story short, I just had to point that out. This is pretty fascinating to see one of these. Like I say, two boats hold it. If the engine was laying around here, I can show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. But, these old cars are fascinating, man. I think we got all the parts in, by the way, so we're getting ready to put the transmission and the engine back in, guys. Not sure why guys hang on to these older model cars like this. Car show maybe? I don't know, but yes, technology has drastically changed, guys. Evap purge and all that. No. Back then we didn't care how much vapors was escaping into the atmosphere. In some cases they didn't even have a gas cap on the car. Like, they didn't care. It's not that they didn't care. We didn't know how important it was not to do it. Okay? So, when you know better, you do better. It's the saying, right? Yes, they will find a way to get some AC no matter how old the car is. That AC technology was a hit. You know, the first guy that, I don't know who invented it. I don't know the history on AC, but I just wanted to point this out, guys. Fuel pump. Where's the engine? I want to see where might this boat up at. Oh, he got it over there covered up, guys. Ah, you can see it from here. All right, let me show y'all something. Yep, right there, guys. So that is where that fuel pump boat's up at. Like I say, there's 2 boats right there, and something in there. God, don't start me lying. I can't remember the technology, but it's a.
It hits on the gear.
Yeah, it's a mechanism gear in there. The chain.
This particular one here on the chain, right here. See where the chain is? It just hits on that chain.
Yeah, and that's what make that arm do this, which will, in essence, create pressure, and that pressure will be forced out to throttle body. Not throttle body, carburetor. You know, freaking throttle body was out back then. All right, yes. I'm an HMI or HEI distributor, plug wires. When the last time you seen? Oh, you know what just came to mind, guys? We're gonna need a timing light. All right. Yes. Anytime you see a distributor, that's likely a timing adjustment. Y'all remember? Oh, you at Tom Cook? Y'all remember the two? How many of y'all stick at that two? That angle go down and hangs in there like that. You can just set it right here and turn it. Ah, check this out. Speak of the devil, guys. Look what showed up. So here at Brothers Motors, we come prepared for even older cars. All right, and over. Timing light. Guys, well, I think I'm trying to while the engine is running and you're in time, depending on the degrees, you gotta look up the specs. Let's see right here, these timing marks. So if you're supposed to be at 0 degrees or 4 below top dead center, things like that. Okay, so obviously he's already looked up the specs, and there you have it. We know what the specs are, so that's what we got going, guys. So we're gonna drop this in today, guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna be around when he do it, but just want to clarify that. Typical oil pressure switch. You know, some things on here are current technology. Just distributors is not one of them. All right. So guys, we had enough fun for today, man. Look at that. I'm about to walk over an old water pump. We had enough fun for today. So like I say, we're gonna drop that in, that engine and the transmission. And hey guys, be on the lookout for a Brothers Motors commercial or ad. Yeah, we got to get some ad plays out there, especially around in the neighborhood, hoping that'll draw in some more you fine people out there. All right, so stay tuned. The future's looking bright, so we're gonna see what happens, guys. I'm gonna take y'all along the ride with me. All right, for now, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.